On a movie car. Blood clot! You want drive over, man? You want drive over? And look how police if are there, so no police are there, so. TVM News, no? You have to come out of that. So then, do you take out in key?
Someone that with a gun?
Where?
Someone that have a gun?
Which one? Then take out in key one. Let's nobody in a blue. Oh, I see it in the hand. I must see police one. A police. A police one. I know him. Yeah. No man, I know. Let's see if I see ID.
Oh yeah, let's see. Kill him, no?
The next police comes in. When they pull up in close police, I have no idea, dude.
Man, that starts us because they don't know say police.
You see ID running neck, bro? Oh, you're not gonna know, man. A bad boy, them, you know, man.
So, man, them still left on the ground?
Yeah, see them try to put him in the next. See them have him in the back of that taxi.